Have you ever looked up at the moon, a celestial body that has captivated humanity for millennia, and wondered if it held more than just ethereal beauty? What if I told you that there's a growing belief that the moon could be the next frontier of finance? Welcome to the world of lunar money. Let's start with the obvious. The moon is not a planet. It's a natural satellite that orbits Earth. It has no atmosphere, no liquid water, and certainly no banks. So, how on earth can it be linked to money? The concept of lunar money is a fascinating blend of science fiction, economics, and geopolitics. At its core, it's the idea that the moon could become a new economic powerhouse. But how? First, there's the potential for resource extraction. The moon is believed to be rich in helium-3, a rare isotope that could be a game-changer for clean energy on Earth. There's also water ice, which can be broken down into hydrogen and oxygen for rocket fuel. If we can efficiently mine and transport these resources, their value could be astronomical. Next, the moon could become a hub for space tourism. Imagine taking a vacation to a lunar resort, experiencing the thrill of low gravity, and gazing back at the Earth from a unique perspective. This could be a lucrative industry, generating significant revenue. But what about currency? How would lunar money actually work? Well, this is where things get really interesting. One possibility is a digital currency, backed by a basket of lunar resources. This currency could be used for transactions on the moon, but it could also have value on Earth. Another option is a more traditional approach, with a physical lunar coin minted from lunar materials. This would be a collector's item and a symbol of human achievement, but its value would likely be based on scarcity and demand. Of course, there are challenges to overcome. The cost of space travel is still prohibitively high, and there's the risk of geopolitical tensions spilling over into the lunar environment. Additionally, there are ethical considerations around the exploitation of lunar resources. But despite these hurdles, the potential rewards are immense. Lunar money could be the catalyst for a new space race, driving technological innovation and creating jobs. It could also help to address some of Earth's most pressing problems, such as climate change and resource scarcity. So, is lunar money just a pipe dream, or is it the future of finance? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain, the moon is no longer just a distant object in the night sky. It's becoming an increasingly important part of our world. As we look to the future, it's essential to consider the ethical implications of lunar colonization and resource exploitation. We need to ensure that the benefits of lunar money are shared equitably and that the moon is protected for future generations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.